Hello everybody, my name is Brittany Jacobson. I am one of the trainers on the training and education team, and we are so excited that you purchased a Young Living Premium Starter Kit, and I want to tell you about one of the essential oils in the kit that I know is going to become your favorite. There's just no question about it. It smells basically like heaven, and it's called Stress Away. And so this is actually the oil that's not, here I'll show you real fast. It's not in the 10 oils you get. It's the one hiding under here. So you have to work for it. So it's right here, it's Stress Away, it's the green bottle. And this oil is really good if you have anybody in your life who's a little skeptical about essential oils, because it smells like heaven, like I mentioned. So let's talk a little bit about, oh my heck you guys, about what is in Stress Away. And can you guess what it helps you do just by the title? It helps get stress away. Oh, imagine that, you guys. So Stress Away is a blend of Copaiba, lime, cedarwood, vanilla, Ocotea, and lavender essential oil. It has a really sweet smell at the beginning, but then kind of at the end you can smell a little bit of that citrus, and it will be one of your favorites because it's really subtle and all of the aromas go really well together. Stress Away helps promote a calming and relaxing environment and has, like I mentioned, a super peaceful aroma. It can be used topically. I actually just have one in my purse and use it instead of a perfume just because I like the aroma that much. And then Stress Away is my husband's favorite essential oil to diffuse. He was one of those skeptics at the beginning and thought they were all stinky, kind of. Do you have anyone in your life like that? But then I introduced him to Stress Away, and now it is his absolute favorite, and it is the one that we go through quickest because he diffuses it all the time. Stress Away is also a wonderful essential oil to add this roller fitment to. So you all got one of these in your starter kits as well. It actually was housed right by the Stress Away. And the way that you add this on is you take off this orifice, and then your hands are gonna smell yummy like it. And then you put the roller fitment in, and you click it down, and then you put the cap on. And what this allows you to do is simply just roll the oil on. So once you put the fitment on, you can't really diffuse it because you can't get the drops in there. But when you get your second bottle of Stress Away, you can have one that you keep in your purse and one that you diffuse with. So also, I challenge you to use Stress Away, you know, like at that dinner time when things are chaotic and everybody's just ready for dinner. You should put tonight a few drops of Stress Away in your diffuser that came with your starter kit, and just see if the mood of your home changes. Just see if everyone kind of relaxes a little bit more, is a little bit more patient for you to get dinner on the table. And if anyone says, Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa, what is that wonderful scent that I am now smelling? Stress Away is a wonderful essential oil to use when you're making a DIY, just because the fragrance is so universal. And we also have a couple other products that contain Stress Away. We have bath bombs. And bath bombs, so we have a Stress Away bath bomb and a lavender bath bomb. What's awesome about these is it comes with 4 different bath bombs, so you can give them as gifts. I did it for Mother's Day, where I gave all the different moms in my life and aunts and all of that one little bath bomb, and you can wrap them cute. We also have a Stress Away roller, so you don't even have to use this. You can just order the Stress Away roller. If you want to learn more about Stress Away, or if you weren't able to take notes because I talk too fast, I need more Stress Away, you can go to Young Living Central, which is in your virtual office. So go to your virtual office, click on Member Resources, click on Young Living YL Central, and then a homepage will come up. You're going to want to go to Essential Oils, and then Stress Away is actually a blend because it blends 6 different essential oils together. So you're going to want to click on Essential Oil Blends, and then you'll find Stress Away. There's a PowerPoint for you to learn more, or that you can share with others, with all of your friends who haven't yet had the opportunity to experience this awesome starter kit. And Stress Away will be your favorite. It's mine, and I promise you it will be one of your favorites. Enjoy, have a relaxing day with no stress, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.